Asking what?
How about an orgy?
An orgy?
Nah, he look too fucked up.
He don't know what an orgy is. So what's an orgy though, man? Now tell me what's an orgy again. Explain to me one more time.
It's when you have more than one woman in the bed with you.
It's called an orgy, right?
It's orgy.
Oh, all right.
Orgy.
And what y'all be doing?
Fucking and sucking and eating and carrying on.
So you sucking?
I wasn't sucking what? Pussy, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Was you getting sucked?
Yeah.
Yeah, I felt good.
Yeah.
You ain't even got no feeling in your body, man.
Well, you think I don't.
Huh? Sit down, mama.
You go to an organ, you see all that running all around the house and sitting all up, ask me if I want a golden shower and all that.
Man, they gave you a golden shower. What's the golden shower?
You no.
What's a golden shower?
Get down. You square. You know
Hell no.
Don't know what a golden
You're an OG, man. You like 90 years old.
I
Fuck.
know what a golden shower
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you, so you can tell me.
Oh, you want to know what a golden shower
I just want to know what a golden shower and an orgy is,
all
man.
you got to do is get on the bed and lay down face up and tell the girl, give me a golden shower.
No, I want to.
And she'll give you one.
But what's a golden shower, though? You got to tell me, because a lot of girls might don't know what a golden shower is, so explain to me.
You don't think so?
Because I never heard nobody say nothing about it. You was the first person,
A
man.
golden shower is when they piss in your face.
Oh, my.
That gold piss come out.
Oh, man.
That yellow
You
piss
a
come out.
nasty
That
motherfucking old
golden.
man, huh?
Huh?
You was
That's
about to
golden.
trifle in this. Oh, you might as well let R. Kelly piss on you. You fucking nasty ass
Ain't
motherfucker.
nothing trifling about that.
Oh, you let the bitch piss on you?
You make sure it's golden piss.
How the
man.
fuck you know if it's gonna come out golden?
Well, it ain't golden, so get the fuck up.
Oh man, but she already pissed on you in your face.
But
God.
you can see when a little twinkle start coming out if it's gold or not.
So you be sucking the gold out?
Oh, Lord. I'm about to say
You ever say you be sucking the gold water out, man?
golden shower.
I know, I heard what you said, a golden shower. So you be sucking that golden water out. I'm Frankfurter.
You ever been, you never had one?
Oh, hell no, I'm never gonna have one.
Why?
Cause I ain't let nobody piss on me for one. That's why.
That's a freaky thing, man.
Hey, well,
That's a freaky thing.
I will not be freaky today or tomorrow. Fuck.
That's a good feeling, boy.
Yeah, you the only motherfucker I heard to say some shit like that.
What? The golden shower?
Golden shower and an orgy.
Well, you go ask somebody about a golden shower and an orgy.
Motherfucker, man, if I ask a girl some shit like that, man, she fucking around and kill me.
No, she won't. Ask that girl you had in the car with her.
Well, my wife?
That wasn't your wife in the car with you that
You don't even know my fucking wife, man. That was my wife, man.
The one that was in the car with you that night when you came back?
Yeah, man. I mean, we don't play them golden shower shits, man.
Oh, well, your wife is the one that you get golden showers from. You know, a nice, clean golden shower.
How you know that? She could be a dirty chick.
Oh,
Huh? Shit, like that, man. She could be worse than the chick you ready to go give your money to right now. You keep giving all your money to.
Lord. Which way you going now?
Don't worry, hey, whatever way I'm going, man, I'm letting your ass out right here. You go ahead and go get your orgy and golden showers and shit, man. You old bastard. Go ahead.
I'm going to call you in about an hour.
Man, take your time, man. Go have a golden shower and shit.
You
The
sure you
orgy.
don't want to come in?
Hell no. I'm alright, man.